If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making Rasi Ladoo. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some cloves in one black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then half a cup of sesame seeds or til, a quarter cup of wheat flour or atta, half a cup of jaggery or gur, a quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee, and a pinch of salt. Now take a pan and place it over medium flame, and first add all the ghee, followed by all the sesame seeds, also known as rasi. Now roast that for a couple of minutes until it changes color to light golden or yellow. Then to that add all the gur along with quarter cup of water, the powder, salt and atta. Now mix it up really well, and we need to cook this until the atta is cooked, so it will soak up the moisture or water and the total becomes like a sticky dough, which should release the sides of the pan just like this. Now switch off the flame, and while the mixture is still warm, take a small portion like this and shape it like a ball, and it's done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Rasi Ladoo. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.